In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change slider gallery to grid on Wix. If you're using a sliding carousel and want a clean, organized grid instead, you're in the right place. A grid is perfect for showcasing multiple images at once, making it easier for visitors to scan your work without clicking through slides. First, log into your Wix account and head to My Sites. Choose the website you want to edit, then click Edit Site. This opens the Wix editor, where you'll make all your changes. On the page where your gallery lives, click directly on the gallery element. When it's selected, you'll notice a small toolbar and a settings panel appear. That's your control center for updating how the gallery looks and behaves. Next, open the layout or settings option in that panel. Depending on your template, it might be labeled slightly differently, but you're looking for the gallery layout area. This is where you can switch the presentation style from a slider to other formats. Now choose the grid layout option. As soon as you select it, your gallery will convert from a slider into a grid automatically. You'll see your images arranged in multiple rows and columns, giving your page a more structured visual overview. With the grid active, take a moment to fine-tune it. Adjust the number of columns to control how many images appear in each row. 3 or 4 is a common choice for desktop. Tweak the spacing to create comfortable breathing room between images without wasting space. Set an image ratio, like square or 16:9, for a consistent, professional look across the gallery. Consider subtle hover effects to add interactivity without distraction. And, if it fits your style, apply a light border or a soft shadow to help each image stand out. Aim to match these details with your site's overall design so the gallery feels integrated, not separate. After that, resize and position the gallery on the page. Drag the corners to adjust its width and height, and use the alignment guides to keep everything tidy. Make sure it doesn't crowd nearby text or buttons, and leave enough white space so the section feels balanced. If your page has a fixed content width, keep the gallery within those boundaries to maintain a clean layout. When you're happy with the result, click Publish. Your gallery will now display in a grid layout on the live site. Visit your page to confirm everything looks the way you expect, and you're all set.